Hello everybody and welcome to another video. Today we'll be learning how to properly update the firmware for the Anycubic Mono X. As always, undertake this mod at your own risk, and I'm in no way responsible if any damages may occur. Updating the firmware is important for a couple of main reasons. If you're upgrading the free license of 𝐔𝐏𝐃𝐀𝐓𝐈𝐍𝐆 from an earlier 1.8.1 version, then this update will make it compatible with the software. These updates also help address some of the common bugs, and on other machines, this can sometimes include additional functionality. Before updating anything, we'll first reformat a USB stick to make sure there's nothing that can interfere or cause any issues. In Windows, you'll right-click this drive and select the format option. In this case, we can simply use the quick format while making sure it's set to FAT32. Once completed, we can then begin downloading the files. Currently, there's two forms of the firmware for this particular machine, and they currently come bundled together when you download them from the main website. Luckily, Anycubic realized this could cause issues and made it so that only the correct version would install so long as the proper order was followed. Going to the main website, you'll download these by going to 3D printers, Photon series, plus Mono X. You'll then scroll all the way down until you reach the firmware section where you'll be able to download the package. Be very careful about installing these files in the correct order. Once you've unzipped the files, you'll notice 4 files within the folder. There's the README document along with 3 firmware files. We'll transfer the .bin files to the root directory of the USB stick and plug this into the machine. In order to run these updates, we need to print them. So we'll first print the p.mxv5_4_0812.1.bin file. It's important to start the update with this file, otherwise you may run into issues. After confirming that you want to update, the process will begin and the machine will be restarted. This can take a couple minutes, so be patient. With the first part completed, we can then run the remaining 2 updates. Only one of these 2 files will work, with the one showing an error. With the update completed, we can remove the USB stick and restart the machine to make sure that everything has been enabled. I personally didn't need to change any of my settings after doing this update, however your mileage may vary. If you want to see how to protect your machine's screen, you'll want to check out this video here. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you guys again soon. Thank you and take care.